Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I am recommending a wood deck sealer stain, which I never recommend anything, but I've been using this for quite a while and it's really good. It's called Ready Seal Exterior Wood Stain. It comes in different colors. The one I have here is cedar. It also comes in clear, oak, mahogany, and a couple of other ones. I bought this 5-gallon container at Home Depot. I've been using this for, gosh, the house is 27 years old. This is the original deck. I already did this section. You can see it brings out the wood grain really nice. I've used other ones in the past, like Thompson's, Bear from Home Depot, Sickens, and a couple of others, but I find that Ready Seal is actually the best for me anyway. As I said, I've had this house for 27 years since it's been built. This is the original deck, and I've been using Ready Seal for probably well over 10 years now. It's done a good job protecting the wood, and it repels the water really nice. What I do is, before I put the sealer stain down, I use a power washer and I power wash the whole deck, let it dry for a good day or two, and then I'll put the sealer down. And as I said, it does protect the deck really well. They call it goof-proof because I don't know if you can see in the sunlight, but this section here I had done about a week ago, and I have moved all my deck furniture to this section, and I haven't had a chance to finish it off. But they call it goof-proof because once you put, like I just did, I left it for a week, and I'm going to come back and do it now. There won't be a noticeable line where you left off, which is really nice. It just blends in really well. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you how it goes down. I just put it on with a roller, and in tight spots I'll use a brush, sometimes for spindles on the edges and whatnot. It spreads really easy. It's kind of like almost like you're putting down a coat of water on it, but it goes down darker than it actually dries to. But yeah, I really like this product. I do it every maybe 2 to 3 years at the most, but I tend to power wash the deck every year. So if this video helped you out, I hope it did. Kindly give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, and if you have comments about what you use, or if you've used this product before and you have any comments, feel free to leave them.